So I'm pulling down and turning to the right to put these plant hooks in. I got tired of my man, waiting on my man to do this, so I watched your YouTube videos, and then I decided to take on this project, and now I'm not intimidated. It's pretty nice. Just remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Keep pulling down just gently, turning to the right. That's what I learned from your videos, so thank you very much. And voila, I have my plant hangers in. Now I'll go get one of my macrame hangers that I'm working on. Again, with the help of you YouTubers, I'm going to get my project done this weekend. This I'm going to hang on the big one. And it's a work in progress. I still have to do some things to this, but you can see that it's going to look lovely once I'm done. Have a great day.